is how you start all your project, boys. Alright, what's up guys? We're coming to you from the garage here. My name's Corey, this is Brett. Welcome to Platinum Built YouTube channel. Today we're doing something a little different for you guys. We are testing two types of wheel cleaners. Now this is a heavy duty wheel cleaner by Meguiars. It's the Hot Rims Chrome wheel cleaner. This runs you about $8 to $9 a bottle. And this is totally awesome. You can get this stuff at the dollar store for $1. You go into the dollar store, you grab it off the shelf, you hand the cashier $1, you walk out. We're going to check the comparisons between the two on my truck there, the 2017 Powerstroke Platinum. I've been driving the past 2 weeks heavy, and I have an absolute ungodly amount of brake dust all over my front rims, which looks like total crap.
Yeah.
But is a
we need to clean that up.
It's a perfect test video for comparing these two. So let's just jump right into it. Let's go. Real quick, you got to do me one favor. You got to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. You're going to want to definitely subscribe to this channel. We have so much planned. You are definitely going to want to see what we have in store for you guys. Also, check out my Instagram, Platinum Built. It'll be linked below. But let's go. We're going to get right into this right now. What's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to the Platinum Built YouTube channel. We're out here today testing this new wheel cleaner. I've been seeing it everywhere. I've been getting recommends and all this other stuff about this special wheel cleaner. You know, whenever you wash your vehicle, your wheels are left looking like this. So we're out here going to test it to see how good it exactly is. Real quick, comment below what your favorite wheel cleaner is. I want to know, we want to see. Help spread some information to someone else out there who's looking for a wheel cleaner, who this wheel cleaner here that we're using might not be the best, but let's check it out. This wheel cleaner we got is a Meguiars Hot Rims Chrome wheel cleaner. This is a pretty heavy duty wheel cleaner, I have heard, so you're going to want to follow the directions and make sure you use it right because you could screw up your wheel. So first things first, we're going to wet the rim down. We're going to spray half of it and we're going to see exactly what it does. I have tire shine on the tires, as you can see. This is my preferred use of tire shine here. It's a Black Magic Tire Wet Gel. It's a wipe-on application by a little foam pad. You just squirt it on there, wipe it on the tire. It lasts a little longer than the spray-on stuff, and it looks a little better. If you guys have a good tire shine that you guys like, definitely put it below. I want to see, and also help spread the word to the other people watching this video. All right, so we're going to spray on the wheel cleaner here on half the wheel. Get her opened up. Has a safety tab on it. Must mean it's pretty serious. I'll spray it on the tire and the rim. Alright, so as you can see, the rim is like absolutely filthy. I've been driving like crazy and there's a lot of brake dust on my wheel. And I sprayed that stuff on half the wheel and we'll give it a second there. Now they do say that this stuff is pretty heavy duty, so I probably wouldn't get it on your paint or anything that's really fragile. Get it on your wheel, let it get the brake dust broke down, and then hose it off here in a second. Alright, we got about 2 minutes on the wheel. We just sprayed it on and let it sit. We didn't wipe it. We didn't do anything like that. It's just been sitting on there for the past 2 minutes. So let's hose it off and see what we got. This is fully just non-wiped, non-anything, just spray it on, let it sit. Honestly, it did a lot better than I was expecting. This is there's some heavy-duty stuff in here. I think, I'm not exactly sure the ingredients, but these rims, as you can see, are like absolutely filthy, like disgusting with brake dust. And I didn't wipe this or nothing. I just sprayed it on, let it sit, and it got it pretty clean. I mean, Definitely needs wiped, but so far so good. All right, so now we're gonna spray it on and actually wipe it down, and we'll get you guys a finished product here in a minute. All right, guys, here it is. This is the Meguiars Chrome Hot Rims Wheel Cleaner. This is spray it on, wipe it, hose it off. It's actually really clean. It works pretty good. It didn't get the lettering really back white, but I didn't really expect it to, because that's a wheel cleaner, not a like rubber cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner. But it did pretty good. All right, guys, this is Brett. This is the cat behind the lens, the collaborator, and the man.
So I'm here today to demonstrate to Corey that he's wasting all his money. This is $1. It's called Awesome, as it works that way. We're gonna demonstrate half with my $1 bottom, and we're gonna see who wins this one. All right, guys.
All right, so we're gonna wet the wheel just as we did with the Meguiars, and then we're gonna spray it on with the Awesome. Let's see what happens. No wipe. So close up, it appears to be working about the same. You can see the foam kind of collecting the dirt off the tire and off of the rim. All right, so we've been here about 2 minutes, just as the before with the Meguiars. Didn't wipe it, just sprayed it on. Let's see what we got. All right, so as you can see on the non-wipe test, it didn't do nearly as good as the Meguiars. You can still see it really doesn't look any different. I mean, it might have took off a little bit, you can see right here, but unwiped test, fail. Meguiars wins. All right, so now we're gonna spray it down again and wipe it and see what our finished product will look like. All right, so here we have the finished product of the Awesome cleaner that you can get at the dollar store for $1. Wiping wise, it did pretty gosh darn good, but you can still see some pitting where the brake dust is pretty solid on there and kind of rough. So it didn't get that out, which the Meguiars did, but overall the wheel is really clean, and it definitely got the tire lettering more white than the Meguiars. So overall, great job. All right, so we're done. We cleaned the wheels. They were caked in brake dust, like super bad, like real bad. Would you say like how, like 1 to 10?
They were disgusting.
Disgusting. Brake dust, disgusting. It's a tongue twister. All right, so my one that I wanted to test was the Meguiars Hot Rims Wheel Cleaner. This is the heavy duty stuff that has acid in it, so technically you're gonna acid wash your wheels. So my test resulted in a pretty decent run with not wiping it, you know, just spraying it on, letting it sit, hosing it off. It actually did pretty good. It didn't clean the wheel perfectly, but it did better than I thought. My only regret, or my only dislike to this wheel cleaner here, is that it didn't get the lettering, the tire lettering, more white. But it's not really an all-purpose cleaner, it's more of a wheel cleaner. So I guess in the aspect of wheel cleaning, it did an excellent job. It got rid of the pits, it got rid of the heavy-duty, hard grime stuff in the actual wheel. So my review on this is definitely a solid 8 out of 10.
I wanted to just throw a wrench in the plans here. This one was $1. It's called Awesome. His is a little more expensive. Now I will
get that at the dollar store for $1.
Yeah, this one's $1. You're gonna put a little more ass behind it, but you know you're gonna save yourself $1 or $2.
As seen on TV.
As seen on TV. As seen on here on the YouTube channel. So we were testing. We did both sides, and I will admit his. You didn't need to put so much ass behind his. It just, his was one spray, one done, you know, but like he said, this one got the white better. I would recommend this. I'm gonna go with him. He won this round. This is good though when you're on a budget. I mean, if you need to get that f***ing tough shit off, you're gonna have to scrub, but it's worth it. It's $1. You can't beat it.
The first thing that this says it removes is blood stains.
So if you're in a tricky situation, there you go, boys.
Removes blood stains and like a whole list of other things.
Right.
Says no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, non-flammable, so you can't like flamethrow this sucker.
If you don't know what you're doing with the acid, you have to be quick with it. Don't let this sit.
Yeah.
So that one might be better for amateurs.
You definitely have to be a lot more careful with this because of the acid.
It's powerful.
So if you have like a really expensive, like high-end wheel that you don't really want to risk damaging, I would recommend going with the good old Awesome here because you know it's less powerful. And obviously you're going to take more time to clean the wheels because they're more expensive. You're not looking for a quick one spray and done, you know, wheel cleaner for
this is for grime. Like me. That's for a truck that's hauling, a lot of brake dust, a lot of wear and tear. So.
The past 2 weeks on my truck, I probably put, I don't know, like 2,000 miles of heavy duty hauling on it, about 1,000 miles each week. So there was just a ton of road grime on that.
That's really getting on the brakes. That's getting them hot. You know.
So there it is.
There it is.
Test over. This did better with the road grime, but like I said, the pros and the cons for the Awesome and the Meguiars.
Guys, I want you to comment, say anything, you know, any comments you have about it. If you have one that you wanna suggest, put it down in the comments. Subscribe, obviously, and let us know how we did. Thanks.
Peace.
Hey guys, welcome to the end of the video.
That table tipping shit's funny.
I was going shit.